What is skin barrier repair and why is it such a hot topic in Korean skincare? I'm a beauty products developer, so it's my job to build up beauty products behind the scenes. Let's get into it. So first off, what is the skin barrier? Why would you need skin barrier repair? So the skin barrier is essentially the top layer of your skin, and keep in mind, your skin is the first layer of defense against environmental stressors and bacteria. If your skin barrier is compromised, that could mean you're getting acne, you're getting irritation, a little red bumps, maybe dry flakes, your skin can be drier than usual. It's just not acting normal, and that could be signs of skin barrier damage. So how do you get skin barrier damage? Like, what's going on here? So there's so many different ways. The most common way is probably overdoing it with skincare actives. So for example, if you're using retinol for the very first time and you're using the highest concentration possible daily, maybe twice a day, your skin can't handle it and that might damage your skin barrier. There are also other factors such as, if you wash your face with water that is too hot, that is also a possibility. Sunburns can also be seen as a form of skin barrier damage. So what should you do during this time? Well, the one most important thing is to allow your skin to heal. That means not using active ingredients that actively brighten or exfoliate. So that means, ceasing use on things like retinol, high levels of vitamin C, exfoliating acids like BHA, and then also stopping physical exfoliants like face scrubs or polishes, because you really want to focus on soothing, moisturizing, and hydrating your skin during this time. So what are some products and ingredients that help with skin barrier repair? Well, the most common one in Korean skincare that you can find very easily from so many Korean skincare brands is actually Centella Asiatica extract. So I talk about this product a lot because it's so versatile. This one is the Skin 104 Centella Ampoule, but again, you can find Centella serums, toners, moisturizers from almost every Korean skincare brand, so it doesn't have to be this one. This is just the one that I personally like. And Centella is really great because it's actually been used in Korean skincare and medicine for hundreds of years. It's known to be soothing and also anti-inflammatory. It also reduces redness. So because it's anti-inflammatory, it also makes it really great for acne-prone skin because, as you know, acne is inflammatory. This is suitable for most skin types. The texture is extremely watery, as you can see. Feels like water. And then also, this is really great to layer with actives once you're ready to introduce those types of skincare products back into your routine. The next ingredient to look for, which is also really popular, is Heartleaf. A lot of the benefits actually overlap with Centella. This happens to be the Anua Heartleaf 80 Moisture Soothing Ampoule, but again, it's a really popular ingredient. You can find it with most Korean skincare brands in any form, like cleanser, serum, toner, moisturizer, etc. And Heartleaf is a little bit different because there have been studies saying that it does have antibacterial properties, making it really great for acne as well and other skin conditions. It also promotes skin healing, it's soothing, it's hydrating. It's really great for your skin barrier because it's known to have a lot of those soothing effects. Also reduces redness, pairs really well with other skincare ingredients, whether it's other skin barrier repairing ingredients or other active ingredients. And lastly, we have Bifida ferment lysate, which is also a really common ingredient in Korean skincare because Korean skincare really focuses on just soothing your skin and treating skin conditions at the root versus putting a band-aid on it. So this is the Manyo Bifida Biome Complex Ampoule. Again, many brands have this ingredient. It doesn't need to be this exact product, but Bifida is the specific type of yeast obtained by the fermentation of the Bifida bacteria. I'm just reading off my notes here. It's actually really great because it's known to reduce harmful bacteria on the skin's surface, which is why it's really great for acne-prone skin and other skin conditions. That's also why it's really great for skin barrier repair. And then also it's soothing, hydrating, sometimes moisturizing depending on the formula, and compatible with most skin types. Also, it really encourages skin to repair itself, as do the other skin barrier repair ingredients. So let me know if you have any additional questions regarding skin barrier repair. And remember, everyone's skin responds differently. If you feel like Centella doesn't work for you, for example, try out Heartleaf or Bifida. Or if you don't like fermented ingredients, you know your skin doesn't respond well to it, then try out these other ingredients. And also, there are so many ingredients on the market that help with skin barrier repair, both in the Korean market and in the US market. You can also use ingredients like ceramides and even hyaluronic acid for skin barrier repair, as long as it doesn't have any strong skincare actives. The key is to let your skin heal and rest by making sure that you support it through soothing ingredients, hydration, and moisture. Thank you so much for watching, and here are some other videos that you might enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and you can also find me on other social platforms.